to the mall. I didn't buy anything at the mall except for shoes. As you guys can like see, sorry, I'm pointing at the pocket right here. Except this one's like in green. I got it in green. And what I like about them is that they're like, so I don't know why, but yeah. Okay, anyways. The next thing I bought, but this I bought a long time. I mean, it's a little flower. And it's just it's a little necklace. You know, it's like little. And what I got here is just, the other ones are like thicker and like more like, what should I say, like skinny? I mean, like, the shoelace, it says like Vans right there, if you can see. I'm not sure. And like, I'm taking a vacation to New York. That would be next with month. With one relative. And I can't wait to go. Well, so bad. Cause I mean, I'm scared that it might crash, but like my mom said, nothing. Cause I might be filming a lot. I'm gonna be buying stuff over there in New York, you know, doing a haul in New York, filming, and I really wanted. So yeah, I don't know why I'm filming on the mirror. This is my mirror right here. Guys, I guess I'll see you guys later. I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload this because my mom doesn't really like me showing stuff that I get at the stores on camera. I start school on my birthday. That sucks so later, and I don't know if I'm gonna upload this. I'm like kind of happy, so sorry if I'm acting weird. I might be doing like another video.